Just like the popularity of mechanical keyboards among gamers and typists, multimeters have become indispensable tools for electricians and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you're troubleshooting, testing, or installing, a reliable multimeter saves time and ensures safety. This guide evaluates the best multimeters for electricians, focusing on Klein Tools MM325 multimeter, digital, manual ranging, 600-volt AC/DC voltage tester. The Klein Tools MM325 is a dependable digital manual ranging multimeter, ideal for both professionals and DIY users. Rated for up to 600-volt AC/DC, it measures voltage, current, resistance, and even tests batteries, making it a versatile addition to any toolbox. The manual ranging feature gives you more control over the readings, ensuring precise measurements when working on intricate circuits. The display is clear and easy to read, while the compact design makes it highly portable. Safety is a priority. List number: Klein Tools CL120VP Electrical Voltage Test Kit with Clamp Meter. For those who prefer a complete testing solution, the Klein Tools CL120VP Electrical Voltage Test Kit delivers everything you need. This kit includes a clamp meter, 2 additional testers, and test leads, covering a wide range of electrical diagnostic needs. The clamp meter allows you to measure current without direct contact, which is both convenient and safe. The kit's testers provide accurate readings of voltage, continuity, and resistance. The devices are rugged and reliable, ensuring they stand up to tough job site conditions. List number: Klein Tools MM320 Kit Digital Multimeter Electrical Test Kit. The Klein Tools MM320 kit offers a complete solution for electricians with a focus on ease of use and safety. This kit includes a digital multimeter, a non-contact voltage tester, and a receptacle tester, perfect for diagnosing household and commercial wiring issues. The multimeter is user-friendly, providing accurate readings of voltage, current, and resistance. The non-contact tester enhances safety by allowing you to detect live wires without touching them, while the receptacle tester helps identify wiring errors in outlets quickly. List number: Klein Tools 69149P Electrical Test Kit with Digital Multimeter. Another excellent choice from Klein. The 69149P Electrical Test Kit combines a digital multimeter, a non-contact voltage tester, and an electrical outlet tester, covering all the basics needed on the job. The multimeter measures voltage, current, and resistance accurately, and is housed in a rugged casing designed to withstand tough working conditions. The outlet tester is especially handy for quickly identifying wiring faults in standard outlets. The included non-contact tester improves safety and convenience when checking for live wires. Compact and affordable. List number 5: Kaiweets Digital Multimeter 1000 counts TRMS Auto Ranging. For those who want cutting-edge technology, the Kaiweets Digital Multimeter stands out with its 10,000 count TRMS auto ranging capability and bright color LCD screen. This smart multimeter is rechargeable, eliminating the need for constant battery replacement, a feature professionals will appreciate. It measures voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, and more with impressive precision. The user-friendly interface and vivid display make it easy to read measurements even in dimly lit areas.